Hi guys, welcome back. Today we want to dive into how to withdraw your Cryptoguru balance to your PayPal account. Log into your Cryptoguru app and go to trading. Click on any trading of your choices. Here I click on Dogecoin. Check the chart, move it right and left. Before we move on, let's read this chart. Damn, you scam me bro, I paid you $150 to withdraw my fund. Don't stress me. That's just a virtual coin. So why did you collect my $150? Because I can't withdraw my virtual coin. What the fuck? Please return back my money and it's a blocking you soon. So guys, beware of scammer out there. Cryptomania, Cryptoguru are all virtual coin. You don't work for it. So don't expect to withdraw the coin. Don't get scammed. No one can do that. They are just virtual coin. They are coins that you get from watching ads or just entering the site daily. Don't get scammed. Beware of scammers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.